Hello everyone, this is your girl Keisha here. Welcome back. Today I'm going to make a fresh made vegetable salad dish, and this dish is packed with minerals and vitamins. So let's get started. So here I'm getting my bowl ready to get my veg prepared. So over here I have half of cucumber already washed. I'm going to use the whole completely skin with the cucumber, so I'm not going to peel it. So now I'm going to shred my cucumber very fine, guys, because I want it to be easy to digest. So yes, so I'm completely shredding it to make sure I get it as fine as it can be. So that's what we don't want. I'm going to toss that away. Okay, and get the rest what we don't really need in our bowl. So there it is, all fine. I shred it with this machine. Perfect. Over here I have one whole carrot washed properly, and I'm gonna shred it also. So there it is. So yes, guys, the reason why I'm shredding my veg is just because I need it to be as fine as it can be to heat, because I'm gonna heat all my veg here raw, so it won't be cooked. So it's gonna be like a side salad dish. So over here I have half of parsnip, all shred. Looking beautiful. Get in there. Okay. So now I have one whole apple wash. I take the top stem off just to turn it down to make sure I get it in this machine as easy as possible. So there it is. I have completely one apple, and this apple is local apple. So yes, guys. So everything will tread step by step as you're seeing. So now I'm using my radish. So I have 4 radish. I'm gonna all thread them step by step to make sure I get as much out of each one. So there it is, wash and in the skin so you don't peel it. So again, we need our minerals and our vitamins, so you can keep your skin on and all of your veg as much as possible. So there's a last radish. Okay, I have half of red onions. So this gonna go into yes, so now I put it in as you see to cheddar also. Okay, so that's what left of the all the radish. Perfect. So over here I have one beetroot. So we're going to shred this also. Looking beautiful, guys. So again, if you want to preserve as much minerals and vitamins in your vegetables, then having it finely shred, it's much better to digest it. So over here I'm putting in one celery in it, so I'm gonna shred it and get as much out of it as possible. And remember, the celery, it have some string. Don't try to heat the string. Try to get the string out of it before you shred it or anything, because some fine string in it can be very dangerous. So there it is. I have most of my veg shred out in my food machine here, and it's doing perfectly well, and it's just the way I want it. So the result of it is brilliant. So that's what I want. Okay, so here I have two cut up tomatoes. So I've sliced them as thin as it can be. So I throw them into my bowl. Over here I have half of the mangoes, and this is turned mango, so it's not super ripe, it's turned. So, and I slice them very fine, like in dices, before I cut them up in my bowl. So as you see, so I'm just cutting it off where I slice, make it much easier to handle. So you don't want to really peel it then try to slice it. It's much easier when you do it within the skin. So there it is, as you see, perfectly done. So now I have half of green lime, so I'm just gonna squeeze. I'm trying to hold my hand underneath the lime because I don't want any seed to get away in it. So, and that's done. Take away the basin because I don't really need it anymore. Perfect, looking all good. So I'm washing off my hands to come and get the rest of my veg out of the slicer. So there it is. Perfect. Take that away. So now I'm have my bowl here. I'm gonna move it and I'm gonna stir really well, looking beautiful, fresh and healthy here. So I'm gonna stir everything just to make sure my mango, my carrots, my beetroot, my celery, my parsnip, and what else? My tomato are completely mixed together with my lime. So looking brilliant. So there it is. So this will be my side salad dish. So guys, I tell you, this packed with nothing but minerals and vitamins. So it just do good for your palate, do good for your health, for your stomach. It's just all packed with nothing but good ingredients. So yes guys, if you want to see something like this, try it, because it's really if you want to have something like this to, you know, put on your side dish or heat alone, try it, because it is really good. It's really good. So there it is. If you want to see more of this video guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.